What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're gonna do another unboxing. Before we do the unboxing or wrapping, whatever we call it, I believe this is a Menlo. This is a Menlo package. I get that monthly subscription, but this one, I believe is like a separate order. I'm pretty sure it is. So let's do that. But I just want to mention, like, let's talk about the NBA right now. Just a second. So. You got, which I'm not too worried about because everybody's not healthy, but on the Brooklyn Nets, you got KD and Kyrie as the core, first of all. Then you add Blake Griffin, you add LaMarcus Aldridge, bro. Like, I mean, he might be past his prime, but man, he's a solid former. He was still a solid performer on the Spurs. So, like, all NBA, all-star, been there, done that. Like, he just been on Portland and San Antonio. So, I don't know. So now he's on a championship kind of caliber team, and he's with championship caliber players. You know, what do you expect? Might happen. But anyway, though, Lakers, like, you know, like we get down. Lakers made a move for Andre Drummond. People say, oh, they'll say, I'll say it, look, Marcus Aldridge is not who he was. Drummond may not be who he was, and he may be something in the locker room, but he might have been, like, cool with being traded from the team he's putting his heart into, Detroit, to go to Cleveland, and then, you know, they not really winning or nothing like that. So that's one thing. Two, we'll see. And LeBron's out. He might be out for at least another month and a half. From a couple of, maybe a week ago. AD, if he comes back, he's coming back like maybe 2 weeks from now. But anyway, we'll see how that goes, man. We'll see how that goes. But man, all I like how they say all this to be the 36-year-old. Like, stop it, man. Stop it. Lakers, man. We about to 2-peat. Brooklyn or not, you know what I'm saying? Y'all boys better worry about real talk. If Embiid come back, or if the Bucks get their stuff together. They just got PJ Tucker up there. Well, y'all better calm down, man. Y'all better calm down, Brooklyn. Yeah, y'all not like that right now. So, anyway, let's go for the unwrapping thumbnail. All right. So let's see. Again, I don't know what's in here, but let's go on. Okay, excited, but I think I know what's in here. Kind of big. Oh no! Oh yeah, this is the package. It's the package, man. The package. So 2 items. Let's go to the one that's readily available. So this is. Let's get all that on here. This is hopefully boy fit this. This is like a black kind of like shirt, jacket type thing, like saying goodbye to spring or winter, and saying hello to spring. So they've done items like this before, starting to get a little different with them. I had to cough, sorry. I don't want y'all to see that. But by myself, so. Yeah, sleeve gang going, like sleeve, collar, right there. It's almost like a heavy shirt, but I kind of want to try this on. Hey, give me a second though. Give me a second. I'm gonna let y'all see if this fit me. It's documented if I have to return it, you know. I took it. Oh, okay. All right. All right. Sit down for y'all. All right. Yeah. This long sleeves, but I'm just doing that. So for sure, for sure. All right. I'm with it. I am with it. My hands in my pockets right here. Nothing on the side. Let's see if they got anything on the inside. It's light. Realistic. Let's go. Alright. Man, alright. I'm about to get rid of the other black one I ain't wore for a minute. And I've been holding on because I had nothing like this, but yeah. Alright, yeah. Sure. I like that. Alright. So let's put this one away. Alright, we got that. Let's go see what we got. Oh, alright. So another one I want to size up because I'm gonna make sure I fit this one. Melrose Place. The other back for Menlo House. Let me know in the comments if y'all see this. I know y'all looked at one of my things at least. Is this like a collab? Is this a different company, or is this y'all? I miss Menlo, man. I miss Menlo. So I remember I got make sure I got the package with this color shirt. It's just gray. This is gray. Let's throw it on and yeah. I don't do my thing because that's kind of basic colors I wear. Black and gray, for real. Raiders, you know. This shirt probably be comfortable, and I got some shoes to go with that. And I got some clothes I could just wear. So you know, we don't go to a lot of places nowadays, but barbershop and stuff like that, you know. Not really going to barbershop, but I ain't gonna. I already said it. So, yeah. I think this extra large will be good because I got another color shirt like this. Like it's just it's actually the color of like this tag right here. But I got a large and I'm not like really feeling it anymore. Fitting it, and I'm fitting that extra large right now for this type of shirt. Good quality shirt, man. Like, check the neck out. It might be a little wide for a lot of people, but not for me. You got the back, premium t-shirt, man. You see where the tag is put in, and you got the sleeves, the knitting. It's all dope. And then the material is thick. It could be real skinny, see-through, and that's fine. And it could be real thick and pretty much nonsense, but this is like in the middle. So it's good. It's gonna be a good one. So that's what we got for this month. It's not what I thought it was gonna be. I did order something. They had a sale. So we'll do another video on that. But again, so Menlo coming through, and hey, you know, until next time, see y'all. I don't post much on this channel, but we got some boxes coming for real. Just stand by, man. You know, and I don't even mean to stand by like that, but you know, I'm in the military. So, hey, until next time, y'all be safe, take care of each other. Long as D-Mac.